Hi, welcome. Here's your Go Math lesson 17.2. We are talking about problem solving, add and subtract lengths. Yesterday we talked a little bit about measuring using centimeter. Last week we really focused on measuring using inches. So let's keep going. How can drawing a diagram help when solving problems about lengths? This is called a diagram, where they break apart the information and they have a picture to show how they found the answer. Let's read the question. Nate has 23 centimeters of string. What do I do to that number? Circle it. He gave 9 centimeters of string to Myra. When you give something, are you adding or subtracting? Subtracting. And I'm going to box the word gave because that's a key word that tells me what I'm going to do. Underline the question. How much string does Nate have now? So let's see, what information did they give me? How many inches of string, how many centimeters of string does Nate have? 23. Got a scissor right there, 23. How much did he give? 9. So I can, what am I going to do to solve? Subtract. Okay, so now we're going to solve. If he had 23 centimeters of string, and then he took 9 off, that means these 9 are gone. How many centimeters of string does he have now? So we can go back 9. So if he had 23, let's go back 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many does he have left? Really? 14. 14. Nate has 14 centimeters of string now. Let's see, draw a diagram, then solve. What information am I given? What is my plan or strategy? Well, let's read the problem. Ellie has a ribbon that is 12 centimeters long. Circle 12. Gwen has a ribbon that is 9 centimeters long. How many centimeters of ribbon do they have? What am I going to do now? Add. I'm going to add how much centimeters of ribbon they have. So first she has 12 and Gwen has 9, so I'm doing 12 plus 9. So I'm starting at 12 because this is how much Ellie has from here to here. Draw that line from 0 to 12 and then write Ellie on top. This is how you show your work. You're showing this is the length of Ellie's ribbon. And then now we're going to add 9 more. So we start at 12 and we jump up 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many centimeters of ribbon do they have? 21. Pretty easy, right? Good. And if you want to draw another line here and write Gwen to show us that this is her ribbon, you can do that. Gwen. Okay, let's move on. Number 2. A strip of paper is 24 centimeters long. Let's circle. Justin tears 8 centimeters off of the strip. When you tear something off, are you adding or subtracting? Subtracting. When you take something off is a key word. Box it. You are subtracting. How long is the strip of paper now? So the strip of paper was 24, so I'm going to draw a line from 0 till 24. This is showing how long the strip of paper was. And then how much did Justin tear off? 8 what? 8 centimeters. So I'm going to jump back 8 times from 24. So you're going to put your little pencil on 24, and then you're going to jump back 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How long is the strip of paper now? 16 what? Centimeters long. This is pretty easy, right? Very simple. Okay, I want you to try to do number 3 on your own. You can go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, so now let's go over what you did. It says a chain of paper clips is 18 centimeters long. Guys, you have to show your work. I'm going to check and make sure that you are circling your numbers, underlining question, and boxing the keywords. A chain of paper clips is 18 centimeters long. Sandra adds 6 centimeters of paper clips to the chain. So you're adding. It literally says add. That's the key word. Box that. Circle 6 and underline how long is the chain now. So her chain was 18. I'm going to draw a line from 0 to 18 showing her chain of paper clips. And then she said she adds 6. So now I'm going to add 6 from 18. I start at 18 and I jump up 6 because I'm adding 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How long is her chain now? 24 what? 24 centimeters long. 24 centimeters long. Okay, let's look at number 4. A chalk mark was 22 centimeters long. Greg erased part of the mark. He erased, that means some of it went away. Now, that's another key word, that means equals. It is 5 centimeters long. Underline the question. How many centimeters of the mark did Greg erase? So it was 22 centimeters long. He erased some, and now there's only 5. Now there's only 5. There's only from 0 to 5. It was 22 centimeters long. So how many did he erase? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many did he erase? 17 centimeters. When you draw it out like that, it's so easy to understand, right? Yes, Leah? Good. You could have done it in a different way. You could have just done it the mathematical way that I've showed you before, the algebraic way, which is there are 22 centimeters long. He erased some. Now means equals 5. So this is kind of like your morning work where it tells you fill in the missing number. Well, what goes here? You subtract. 22 take away 5 is 17. You could have done it that way too. You're absolutely right. Let's look at number 5. Start at the point on the number line. Draw a diagram to stand for a length of 12 centimeters. So you're going to start at the point. This is the point. Point means dot. Draw a diagram to stand for a length of, does it say 12 or 2? 12. So, guys, jump up 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now you're going to draw a line from 4 to 16 because that's 12. What you guys would have probably done, and I know, you would have not even thought about it, and you would have just drew a line from 0 to 12 and said, I'm done. No, that's not what it asks. It says, start at the point right here and draw a diagram for the length of 12 centimeters. That means make it 12 centimeters long starting at 4. Okay? And this number line is already centimeters, so that's pretty easy. Does anyone have any questions? No. Okay. You're going to complete page 586 through 588 on your own. When you are done, you are going to complete the worksheet in your baggie that says problem solving, add and subtract links, lesson 80. And the paper stapled to it, which is Enrich 71, diagram it yourself. All right, they're pretty easy. The math lessons are pretty easy today. If you do have any questions, though, please do let me know. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.